Hi everyone, today I came with another new feature which is added in the Laravel 10, which is command prompts. So in many languages you've seen that you can play with the command prompts, but there is no opportunity in the Laravel. You can create your own commands and then you can run these behavior. So now this one is available in the Laravel 10. So just go here how you can achieve this. So simply install the fresh installation of Laravel 10, and then as I did this here Laravel 10, and now I'm going to show you that how you can do this with the step by step. So first, if this one is by default installed in your application, but if you are trying it another any of the PHP application, you can do this also. Okay, now I'm going to create a new command and then I'm going to tell you the overall story of this command prompt. Okay, just create the new command php artisan make command, and what should be the command? I'm going to name this test command, your or name command. Okay, just open the test, not test case, it's a test command. Okay, and here, sorry, I'm not shooting this from my office, so you will face a little bit background voice and this screen problems, but anyway I will shoot next videos on my system. Okay, here you can say that app name something, or test something. I'm going to test, and then you can also set the description, and here you need to write your logic, like here if I am here and now I want to receive the name from the user. So how I can get the name from the user? So in this way you can get the name from the user. So simply go here and type name equal and then text, and this text will be what is your name, right? Okay, and then make sure this will throw an error that undefined, so make sure to copy its space from the top and add it here, like use function prompts. Okay, now it's fine, and sorry about my throat, a little bit, it's not fine. Okay, just execute this command php artisan app test, as I mentioned its name here. Okay, hit enter, and boom, it's asking me what is your name. So my name is Dayat Yazi. Hit enter, and yes, it's gone. Okay, this one is the first thing. Now if you want to for example, if you are asking the name from the user, and if they will double click on it, so this will be gone. So now I want to make this mandatory. How I can do this? So simply go here. I don't want to open this out, I want to open another terminal where I want to show this output and code this here, so this will be easier. Okay, so how I can do this? So just to go here, and in the text you can add label and add your label, what's your name, and then here I'm going to add the required. Okay, and then pass this as true, so you want to make this required. Okay, just go here and run this command php artisan test app test, and what is your name? I'm going to now I'm not entering my name and pressing enter, and says error required. Okay, fine. Now it's asking, it's telling us that this name is required, but this one is not descriptive. So how to make this descriptive? So simply go here and type your own message. Name field is required, right? Save this one and give it one more time. Okay, let me clear the screen. Okay, what is your name? Hit enter, and it's now telling that name field is required, right? So this is the way how you can validate this, and you can also validate more, like you want to accept only 3 characters, or you want to apply the maximum validation, so you can do this, and there you can apply the hand default, and there are much more things. Okay, for example, you want to validate that this character should be not less than 3 and not greater than 355. So how you can do this? So simply add this validation here. Okay, this one is for 3 less than 3 and this one is greater than what, 55. Okay, clear the screen. Clear the screen. Okay, close this, run it again, and here I'm going to enter now two only characters. So hit enter, and sorry, I typed the three one by mistake. Okay, 2, and now it says the name must be at least 3 characters, and if I want to enter the 255 greater than character, so it will now ask me that you cannot write the maximum character less or from the 255. Hit enter, the must not be exceeded from these characters. So in this way you can validate your data in the commands in the terminal. Okay, you can also get the password, then its minimum length, and there are much more things. So I'm just telling you here that there are a lot of things you can experiment them your own, you can on your own behalf. So this is a way how you can play around with the terminal, and hope you can experiment those other things. And I'm very sure that most of the developer will not familiar with this concept, because this one is very new and very less popular. So let me know in the comments box and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.